This is Nadi Laimoud at Elliott Forex with your weekly overview for the British Pound US Dollar pair for the trading session dated Monday, 22nd of August 2016. Following the previous weekly overview, cable continued downwards to complete with B green before reversing directions and unfolding towards the upside within with C green. We are updating the main count according to the latest price action, and the main count expects cable to unfold upwards to complete a second wave correction of minute degree. On the other hand, the alternate count expects that cable's upwards correction was shallow and that a third of a third wave has started unfolding downwards, and such waves are characterized by its violent sharp movement. As always, we will wait for either count's confirmation point to be reached to determine the highly probable count. On the main 6-hour chart, the main count expects that wave C maroon is unfolding downwards, and within wave C maroon, wave 3 black is unfolding towards the downside. Within wave 3 black, waves 1 and 2 blue are complete, and wave 3 blue is underway. Within wave 3 blue, wave 1 pink is complete as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 green, with wave 4 green unfolding as a triangle labeled waves A through E orange. This count expects that wave 2 pink is unfolding towards the upside as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C green, with waves A and B green complete, and wave C green is unfolding towards the upside. Wave A green unfolded as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 orange, while wave B green unfolded as a double zigzag labeled W, X, and Y orange, with each wave within that double zigzag unfolding as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C purple. It's expected that wave C green has started unfolding upwards, with waves 1 and 2 orange complete, and wave 3 orange is unfolding upwards. This count would be confirmed by movement above 1.3481, and we have two targets for the completion of wave 3 orange. The first target is at 1.3323, as at that level wave 3 orange would reach equality with wave 1 orange, and the second target is at 1.3508, as at that level wave 3 orange would reach 1.618, the length of wave 1 orange. It should be noted that the initial confirmation point resides at 1.3373 at the end of wave X orange. However, the placement of the confirmation point is not ideal at this stage. This count would be invalidated by movement below 1.2865, as wave 2 orange may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 orange, and it should be noted that the invalidation point will be moved to the end of wave 2 orange once we have confirmation that wave 3 orange is underway. As well, this count would be invalidated by movement above 1.5020, as wave 2 pink may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 pink. If that lower invalidation point was met, we will move now to the alternate 6-hour chart, and the alternate count expects that upwards correction was brief and shallow, and that wave 2 pink is mature as a double zigzag labeled W, X, and Y green, and that wave 3 pink has started unfolding downwards. Within wave 3 pink, waves 1 and 2 green are complete, with wave 1 green unfolding as an impulse labeled waves 1 through 5 orange, and wave 2 green unfolded as a double zigzag labeled W, X, and Y orange. Within wave 3 green, it's expected that waves 1 and 2 orange are complete, with wave 1 orange unfolding as a leading diagonal labeled waves 1 through 5 purple, and wave 2 orange unfolded upwards as a zigzag labeled A, B, and C purple, and that wave 3 orange is about to reverse directions and unfold downwards. This count would be initially confirmed by movement below 1.2865, and the final confirmation point is at 1.2794. We have two targets for the completion of wave 3 orange and wave 3 green. The first target is at 1.2704, as at that level wave 3 green would reach 1.618, the length of wave 1 green. The second target is at 1.2690, as at that level wave 3 orange would reach equality with wave 1 orange. This count's invalidation point is at 1.3373, as wave 2 orange may not retrace more than 100% the length of wave 1 orange. It should be noted that the invalidation point will be moved to the end of wave 2 orange once we have confirmation that wave 3 orange is unfolding downwards. So to wrap this up, this week's main count expects cable to unfold towards the upside to complete wave C green and therefore wave 2 pink, while the alternate count expects that wave 3 green is unfolding downwards within wave 3 pink, and since this count expects a third of a third wave is underway, this count would expect a sharp, violent movement downwards. That's all from me today. Happy trading and have a nice week.